I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, flat tip screwdriver, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my engine oil drain pan. Okay, first we're going to be opening up the oil filler cap. I'm going to using a plier to open it up. So I'm going to be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to be going underneath the vehicle. So we're under the vehicle. I'm going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. The washer is stuck onto the drain plug. Reuse it. Nothing wrong with reusing the old washer. So now we're going to be removing the engine oil filter. I'm going to be using a cup type wrench to unscrew it. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 4 quarts of conventional engine oil, 530 weight oil filter, and a can of BG-MOA engine oil treatment. So I'm going to be putting on my oil filter, but first you got to go check the block side to see if there's any rubber seal on the block. If there is, remove it. So I'm going to be putting on some oil on my rubber seal on the new oil filter. That way, when you screw it in, it's going to just slide on. Now we're going to wipe the block side. We're going to screw the filter on. Now we're going to tighten it up. I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding 1 can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing the funnel. I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Make sure it's tight, real tight. You don't want it vibrating loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. We'll let it run for a little while. Okay, that's good enough. Can shut it off. So now we're going to be checking the oil level. So this dipstick is right in front of the engine. Pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, check the level, right up to the full, perfect. So that's how you change the engine oil and an oil filter. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.